Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon to open the app. Once the application opens, you should see the health page in the app. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page. And on this page, you should see your Redmi Watch 4. Now scroll down and find the Unpair button. It's gonna be at the bottom of the page. Tap on it, tap on continue. The watch will disappear from the device page. It should also basically reset itself to the factory default settings. And we can also check the Bluetooth settings on our phone, just in case. So let's go to Bluetooth settings and see if the watch is right here on the list of paired devices, but it's not. So we can close the settings. As you can see, the watch is done resetting. And basically that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.